It's a vending machine paradise. The Japanese love building complex machines for simple tasks. I decide to start with a ticket machine. It will spit out a ticket that you can then bring to a counter and get a nice bowl of udon or soba.
Decisions. Think the fries, a safe bet.
Oh, man.
This could cause serious injury. It's like hot steam coming out of there. Soggy.
For dessert, nothing hits a spot like marble cheesecake ice cream cone. It sounds ominous. Seems like a body being dropped from a great height.
There's almost nothing that can't be done by a vending machine, apparently.
Cheesy. Maybe a little coffee with dessert. Mochaccino, frappuccino, al pacino. Starbucks is in real trouble. Cappuccino-y.